In the previous video, I showed you the various different cloud service types, but I didn't give you an example of how and why you would use them for certain types of cases. So, cloud type use cases. You've got hosting virtual machines, websites, disaster recovery solutions, lift and shift. These are all parts of infrastructure as a service. Next, you've got platform as a service, and this is going to be used by developers for providing what's called ready-to-use development and deployment applications in this environment. It simplifies the application development as well. It makes it much easier to develop applications, connect them to databases, and get them to work. It also works with Internet of Things or IoT applications. Keep that in mind. And business analytics without having to manage any of the underlying infrastructure. And finally, we have software as a service. As far as examples goes, this is great for end users requiring accessible, ready-to-use software solutions, such as Exchange Server, which I showed you in that previous video. Also, CRM, the customer relational management types of applications, project management tools, e-commerce platforms. That's where you have no setup or maintenance. They're already created for you. All you have to do is create the users, give them access, and start using the application. These are all great examples of how and when to use certain cloud models. Keep them all in mind for your AZ-900 exam.